What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. And just making sure that we are live, good to go. All right, cool. We are live. Awesome. How you guys doing this morning? Hope you guys are doing good. Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday. Let's get the trading going. So here's our chart. Got it all set up. Let's look at news real quick. I know we have some news dropping. Let's check it out. October 1st is going to be tomorrow. We have today Fed Powell speak at 10:35 those times, so that's coming up. So that should be also, the market should be kind of choppy till the news comes out. So I don't know if I'm going to really trade today. Might just wait for news to come out. Might sit on hands just because I don't want to get caught in chop fest. Okay, yeah, so we have news coming out 10:55. So that's soon. Be 7:55, so we'll see. We might wait for open. We might just put a short order in to see a break of below here. Nothing crazy. Not really feeling FOMO today, so just because it's Monday, a lot of news. Probably what we'll do. All good in the hood. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Hope you guys had a good weekend. We do have news coming out today. We have news. We have a pretty jam-packed news coming out. Don't feel FOMO. Just chill, wait, trade your plan. Let's get it started. If you're new to my channel, yes, I do work from home. I do remote, and I also trade. So I trade first 2 hours of the morning. And I also work from home. So you hear me mute myself sometimes, it is because I'm doing something for work. But I use beforehand. You guys are having a good one today. I haven't even got my coffee. Okay, so I'm just putting it in. All right, so we're just gonna wait. I want to take a long based off here. Here's the hourly. We're under the previous day low, so I want to take short because the overall trend is we're in an overall bear trend. So I might take a long here, risking this bottom, and just to test it out, just to put a small one in. Do it. There we go. We're gonna put in a small one. So risk on the 50. Drop that 72. It's just to see actually what at 50, 59, and it's just to pretty much see if we can catch this. Maybe off the open we rip up. Let's see. We'll see if that happens. If not, if we break this on 30-minute, then yeah, I'll be looking for a short. That's gonna tell me my thesis is wrong. So we're looking for kind of a hold of this lower London low. If we break, then I am going to be looking for basically the short under here targets. We're looking at 20,000. Got a couple targets for all these. Got the weekly low 19,952. Or actually add to this. Let it pop for a little bit. We might add to this winner. And we have another level here, 19,860. That's it. Boom. Okay, so if we're wrong, thesis is wrong, we break the 30-minute, we come out of this huge uptrend we've been in for the past 2 weeks. If we snap this, I'm looking for a windfall down to 19,860. So if I'm right and we continue the uptrend, then we're looking for a pop above Okay. So for right, we're looking for a pop over back into at least that 20, 2265, 2664 area. Looking for a pop up to there. Then maybe a continuation. So that is the game plan for today. Pretty simple. Happens, okay. We did catch the bottom on this. Cool. And like I said, we're looking for hold of this 30-minute hold of this bottom down sell off bar back up into over London range into that 26.3. We'll sell here and we'll wait. We'll see if they've reclaimed this and keep pushing. We might go with the trend, or if they consider to come back down, if they go under below previous day low, then we'll short that and go back down to that target. If we're wrong in this first trade and we're wrong here, then we will short. Maybe I'll put a little bit more size on, maybe 4 micros, 5 micros down into this 23 area. So that is the goal, and that is the trade plan for this morning. I got to start getting some work done. So. Hope you guys got your coffee in this one. Got to get that coffee in, guys. Got to get that coffee in. Make sure you get your coffee in. Cold brew and make it. My wife makes it the night before. Got a little almond milk on it. I got the protein shake up in here too, so. And that's my breakfast. Cold brew and a protein shake. Pretty simple. Awesome. So. Grab. Okay. Might just take. There we go. Just because I took a little bit there, and that was just because I wanted to get a little profit in there, just in case I'm wrong on it. Now it ends up being like a $1.50 of a loser, which is fine. All good. All right, cool. So this awesome. Like I said, we do have some news coming out. Yeah, Federal Powell speaks. I'm keeping the size. Oh. And I gotta make a couple calls this morning, guys. So it's gonna be pretty boring trading this morning. Just know we have news coming out today. I'm literally just sending these small ones, see if we can catch a runner. If we come out of this, breaks out of this, for sure out of this 22 10 area, which is going to be right here, it's going to pretty much be a market shift. Comes out of here, and then you know bulls aren't going to be. Well, if she comes back down to this area, now we got a $1.50 loss. Comes back down into this area, then we know we got sell. Mitigate risk a little more. I'm giving it a 112 on ticks. Points, whatever the hell you want. Is one, not bad. 110, 12. Not bad for a stop. Pretty big. I mean, she takes me out. I'm pretty fucking wrong right here, right? Pretty wrong there. So, takes me out. That's cool. Break a prior 15. Probably break another 15 here. Okay with that. On the 30-minute, that this line is golden, which is going to be your Asia current low of the day. There. Golden. If I wanted to keep it super tight, I could put kind of tight. Better. Let's do that. Let's risk 100 on this one. We'll risk 100, and that being said, that's pretty $80 because we already had like $15 profit. So this is pretty clean risk point right here. I'm okay with taking this out right here. That's a good out right there. I take it. Okay, cool. I like that. We can let that ride. Let that ride out. Alright, guys. I'm gonna mute myself because gotta make some calls, guys. So I gotta mute myself. Okay? If you guys have any questions or anything, you can shoot them in the chat and I'll answer them. That comes from me. Well, okay, you guys don't have any. Let's go. I want to add here, guys. I want to add. I'm gonna add actually. That one I borrow. There we go. I added. All right, cool. Now this is pretty sweet here. One is all right. 160. Out here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Look, he just came into the room. All right, guys. So I added on that one. That's not bad. So I got 2 micros here. If we get that shot back up to that at least area, this was the big trade of the day. But I don't know if it's gonna. She's gonna break above back down. Curious to see that. But if not, that's fine. Take the L here. That is fine. Good loss. I make this call, guys, so I'm gonna mute myself for a minute. I'm back, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me get a quick snack. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, guys, we're back. My camera went down for a minute. I'm back. Muted my stack. Let me turn it back on for you guys. Give me a second. By the way, it is dropping. It might take me out, which is okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to put the camera back on, guys. Okay. Oh shit. Whoops. There we go. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Okay, cool. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. My bad, my bad, my bad. You know it's live when that happens. It is live, guys. It's live. Alright, cool. We are back. We are back. Anybody watched the movie Anchorman? It's pretty funny when he's like, "We are back." Stuff. Cool. Alright, guys, we're back. Awesome. So I had to take care of that. I was doing a call real quick. Okay, checking the screen. Awesome. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Looking good, looking good. No questions? Okay, cool. No questions. All right. If you guys if anybody watches Gary Vee, he has some good shit out there. Gary Vee he's an entrepreneur from New York. Started the wine business back in like 2000 I think. But the dude is so cool, man. He just shows, just bring value to everybody. So watch his stuff, good stuff. Talks about, eating the shit and just, eating the grind and just, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a grinder, going through it. So I don't know. Just want to share that with you guys. Cool cat. A lot of stuff. But wanted to go over with you guys. We're just waiting right now. Seeing if we're wrong, which is okay if we are. Up, down. And again, I might even tighten my stop. I might even put it real tight right about here. And this would be like a $90 right here. $80 stop. If it stops me out here, I'll probably wait for the open. All right, so that's like a not bad, like $74 stop. I might flip here. Takes that 15. Good. Taking a bleed through here. On this one. I see her take out that 15-minute low. Here we go. Very interested to see if it takes it. Or if she holds it. Holds this uptrend. That's not bad. Pretty good trade right there. Risking a little more on that one because if she stops me out, then we know they're gonna hold. We kind of have an idea of the buyer holding that bottom. Let's see if she takes. If they run it, run it. If they run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, kind of run it, run it. Wasn't a singer, that's for sure. I can't sing with this shit. Right. If we stop me. Let's see if she claims it. If she does, we gonna wait for the open on that one. You know, it's all about how many times can I be wrong until I catch that right trade. That right trade's got to be bigger than all the wrong. That's just how it is. You got to cut those losers. You know, you just people don't get comfortable taking the like, oh fuck, I'm wrong. I'm all about okay, I'm wrong. How much am I willing to go ahead and expend? I just held that. That's a good indication of I might just action about. Okay, cool. Now, fine. Flip it on that long right here. Down 200. Not big. Gonna hold right here. Now it's been trades. That's fine. But holding that lower bottom, I want to see this baby go. Gives it to If she rips back up to that little air bar, up to here, that's a clean. See what happens. It's okay with being wrong on this one here. We got almost a minute and a half on, minute and a half. Just because Topstep lets you that 15 doesn't let you go any higher than that 15 on Ninja Trader. There's that balance. There it is. I'm just recouping some of my losses. This is more for the mindset, right? That I'm doing it. That. Okay, beautiful. Now we're down $100, right? Now, try this, put on 5 micros. We're down about 100. Again, on Combine, we're not getting smoked on fees, so this is way easier to do getting smoked on. If you're doing this on like your personal account, you probably wouldn't be trading this way because he starts smoking your butt. Up there. Now we're good, right? Now she can go ahead and take us. Cool. This is the sweet right here. So we're risking that 246. We'll be going for a breakout here, which on the 30-minute, the higher high, this would be a breakout. And she's going back here. Look at that. Previous day low. Let's see. We're out. I'm taking the risk now. Oh, writing the risk down. And let her do her thing. We're gonna let her do her thing, guys. Like this, right. I want her to reclaim this bar. I like it. I like that trade. That is a good trade. So that puts me at 3 trades on that account. So let this play out because I don't want to keep fucking around with it. There we go. Okay. Let that ride even more. Let that ride, boy. That's perfect. That 150. That is good right here. I'm just trying to give myself a better chance of the right side of the trade, right? That's like my ideal trade. I was wrong twice. Wrong loss. Kept those losses. Cool. Now this third trade here, been right. I've made back 70% of my. Now on this third trade, I didn't try to recoup and get that green, right? So now I'm just gonna let it ride. Which I'm still thinking that out to. Okay. And we're trying to can reclaim this on a 30-minute structure package. Check out previous low. Name this. Bounce it. Bounce at least. Back into 2026. We are looking at a nice move. That's what we're looking at here. Trying to de-risk it. Guess I'm wrong. Boom. I'm wrong. That's a 150. Done. I'll be down about 200 bucks. Because now the L's low. This is really boring trading. Down about 50. I'm gonna leave this. Okay, if we get a 300 loss. Well, I'm adding to that one. Breaking out to the upside. But if we don't, I'll let this one ride. Here, minute and a half here, looking for this breakout here. Looking for the area right here, 2000 that I'm thinking she wants to get. Right or wrong. Alright guys, I gotta make another call, so I'm gonna mute myself real quick. All right, guys. So I got stopped out on that last one. That's fine. A little annoyed, but it's all right. I'm in a short right now. Same one on my other screen on a 30-minute. Just chilling. I'm holding that. This as a stop right here. So I'm gonna see if we. If not, that's fine. So you still thinking we're breaking out on that one? Still chilling, waiting. Just waiting. I'm looking at the 5-minute real quick to see if this breaks out here. Trying to see what to do. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Let's see if she's out or not. He's holding that previous day low. Just waiting. It's very curious to see if she decides to push right into this right here. Let's break this down for you. Look at that. Here's a 10-minute. Question, is she gonna push or is she gonna break? Here's a 5-minute. What happens? Breakout, breakout, beautiful. Beautiful, that was a nice breakout, guys. That was a nice little break up. Let's see if she holds that. We're gonna see if she holds that. Pushing, she's pushing. Oh, there it is. Beautiful push. That's the move we're waiting for. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that looks good. We're gonna add on that one. So we're still looking into that push up here. Oh, very nice. There's the push, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Get a free trade on. Free trade. Pushing. We're just waiting to see if she's pushing, guys. Well, there's that push over there. Take some off. We're gonna let her run, letting it run. Letting that run for a little bit. All right, very nice. Sweet. Keep this tight. Out there. We're gonna see if she wants to run into that VWAP. It's a good target place. Awesome. And then I also connected that one to my other account. So I wanted to copy trade it a little bit. Usually don't do that, but that's, remember we were talking about this setup, guys. The setup we were talking about. We said, go back to it. We said we shorted, we got stopped out, or we longed, we got stopped out, and then we longed, and we said, look, if we get smoked here, and then we flipped over and took that long because we had the bias that we're gonna hold this area and go back into this. So let's go back to the 1 hour. Go over what we literally just talked about the trade. We literally talked about this trade. Good. Hold it, could have caught the bottom, pops up, we'll catch it, right? I might just close this one out. Keep that super tight. I'm gonna keep that super tight. I just took that one off. Okay, so we got here for 33. Okay, cool. And could be a nice little short here. Could short it, keep it super tight. But we're gonna wait for the open. We're gonna wait for the open on this. So we're just gonna chill out. This is on my third account. So we got two about the same. Two at our target. I'll show you guys. So we have two about our target. So what we got going on, right? Two, boom, boom. Done with those, and we're gonna trade this third one. And again, I'm gonna long this. I'm gonna stop it. Okay, I want to wait for a pullback. I'm gonna wait for the open another 15 minutes. Open on the last one. So we're gonna trade this one, and then until we're done with this one, we're done with this one. We're chilling out. Cool. Not bad. And that first one we traded, we had like 6-7 trades on that one overall, which is a lot for me, more than my usual. But it's all good. We got that in the green. What we wanted. That 531 was making up for like $200 loss average we were having. So that's pretty much it on that account. The other account I copy traded, and on the other one I did do one mini on. So copy. That's why it's at 480. So that one mini we caught this pump up. Or we longed it here, and then we sold that top. So I'm done with that one. That's fine. It's 480. Not pushing it. And then we're gonna hold and wait for this trade. I'm gonna wait for open. I'm gonna get some more work done. Yeah, guys, that's how it is. You talk out the trade, you take some L's. Good deal. Learn to be okay with. Okay, so this is kind of how you want to trade your funded accounts, just small short trades, and you can even go down to one mic. You might even just do that on this one microwave. Really let it work out, right? That was sweet. That's the 1 hour. I'm gonna lower the time frame for you guys. So overall, here's the 1 hour, guys. So overall on the whole trend, it's in a downtrend, right? Pretty simple. You guys can see that without me even drawing a line. See? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This should be a lower high. If it doesn't, if it breaks through this 20 to 26, then we might Get that curl you're looking at. Your big overall trend, right? That's your medium. Your overall is you're still in an uptrend. That if you draw the bottom of these wicks, boom, boom, you're still going up. Get a pullback, go up. Get a pullback, go up. Get a pullback. If you look at the overall, you've been going up for fucking since Newsday on September 24th, right? So we've been going up over a month basically. We're still in a bull market. Before that, we had straight up bear markets that we went down from like August 24th to like September 24th. You would get a pop and then get a drop and then pop up. Dead cat bounce, pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. Biggest way to know if you're in a bear is that when you're going straight up, the trend breaks. So I'll give you an example. You see this? You see with this trend, you see the bottom of these wicks. You can draw this to make it easier for see it. So I don't use trend lines, but it's just to make it easy for you guys. See this? Boom, boom, boom. Finally breaks, snaps. This is your short entrance risking off that top high. That's where you know you're definitely into a bear market, right? And nothing's 100% again. And then you just get sideways chop and then boom, finally drops. Sideways chops and drops. And then when you know you're going back into a bull, look at this. Rips up, rips through this whole consolidation, and then boom, that's your market shift. Right here, it probably trapped people. Once it did this bottom wick, they call it smart money concept, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Grabs liquidity and then rips. And then you know you're back into bull, baby. So right now, we're still in the bull. This is still straight up bull market. I know it looks like we're in a bear, but in the short time frame, we're in a bear. Doesn't mean you can't scalp. But overall today, we're below that previous day low. And we're just out here, right? You could just shop in between this until news comes out. I definitely don't want to that shit. Or just chops here until news comes out. But what I am gonna do, I am gonna put a short right here. Just smack this baby down. I'm thinking that's a wrap. I am gonna here. I am micro. If we go back, the Asia low, rub it, we run it. We at least take New York's low and then 5 and 21. I'm like right over here. Probably like right over here. We'll see. And on the 30-minute, if she takes that out, 21.47. This is a 15-minute chart, but I have a 30-minute chart up that I was doing other trades on. If she takes this out, be a 30-minute. I like to take 30-minute shorts because honestly they work better. I've noticed than 15-minute shorts. 15-minute shorts work, but if you notice here, you see how this 15-minute bro didn't really break it, but kind of trapped me to get into it. I had to stop out and flip. That's the biggest thing I noticed about 15 minutes. And I will actually pull up the 30-minute. Here's your 30-minute. See this? Here's your 30-minute. Ideally, like I said, taking these 30-minute shorts. Breaks here, 30-minute short, boom, drops. Breaks here, 30-minute short, boom, drops. Same thing on the long side. 30-minute long here, breaks, take the long, boom, sell the rip. Breaks, take the long, boom, sells the rip, right? There's a lot of traders I know that just trade off straight 30 minutes. The 15 minutes, I like to look at it. Gives me a pretty good indication. Not bad at all. So I'll give you another example. If you guys look at this, 30 minutes, this is never indicated back down to short it, right? So boom, take it, rip, long, room, and then you're risking off that 30. The only thing about trading off a 30-minute is your risk is going to be wider, so your size has to be less, right? Just broke that 15. We broke up a 5 and a 15. So I might take a short here, risking that top, right? Double top there, and I just take it here. Or let's see if we get what we're looking for. Totally stopped me out, which is fine. Technically, we didn't break that 15 low, so. But on a 5 minute, this is why I have different time frames. When they all connect, it's usually pretty sweet. Here's a 5 minute, right? We broke the 5 minute trend. Here's a 10 minute. We broke the 10. Right? Here's a 15 minute. We have not broken the 15 minute. And there's all different traders that trade all different time frames. So there could be a trader that's waiting for this to break, right? And then he'll go short. The question is how many buyers and how many sellers you have. That's all trading is. How many buyers and how many sellers. If you have more sellers, it drops. If you have more buyers, it rips. Like right here, it could just take me out, which is fine. I'm okay with that. This here. Here's your 30 minute. You might not get sellers to ignite or big sellers come in until they break this Asia low and they say, all right, this 30 minute just broke. Cool, I'm taking that short. I'm looking for a run of lows, right? You don't know. It's the I don't know game. Okay. She's trying to rip down. That 30 minute, here's that 15 minute. You see that 15 minute? She might take that. She might run it. If she does. 30 minute. We'll see what she decides to do. But that's my explanation, guys, of how I look at trading and how I look at the 30 and the 15 and all different time frames. And of course, all this shit you can find on YouTube, guys. I don't have a course or anything like that. Now this stop isn't, it's kind of wide, 72. I'm not adding to this drop because I don't like how it hasn't taken this 15 minute. Still holding 30. And then if you become like a 1 hour trader, right? 1 hour traders, that's fucking hard. But get a bigger kind of move. So let's say you're here. What in the short of this till it drops till you get a break. Get a break, boom, get that piece of that. You wouldn't have long till you get above that. Never did, right? And you're still short, same thing, right? So you finally, this one you finally long after she still doesn't break, so you would long it here, and you would have, let's say, pressed the bottom of that way. Stuff like that. So it's all different trading styles. It all comes down to the psychology, really. How many losses can you take and mentally? I'm okay with this being a loser. I don't know why I didn't put the size on. I'm gonna leave this one. I put the 30 minute. I'm gonna put this 30 minute on right here. Yeah, softs me out. That's cool. I'm not tripping. Like I said, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens up. One of them is used for the YouTube live, but I'm looking at all 6, right? 5, and I'm looking at, like I said, 5 different time frames. I'm looking at the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, right? I'm even looking at the 5 minutes sometimes, but not really. I want to catch that trend. This move here, when we had all this stop out, this was the move. These 2 bars made up a lot of my losses, but it was all about keeping the losses short. So I have 3 short losses, 1 big win, right? Like a 35 win rate, but it's all about, did you let that winner run? But it's short there. All right, took a loss. 61. That's fine. I'm gonna go long on this one. I'm gonna change places. Long. We're gonna have this as our stop. But if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Fuck it, take it. Right? Take it. Instead of giving them 100 on that expense to find out if I'm wrong, I give half. That's fine. $60. I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll be on the windy side. There, of course, I let it breathe for a little bit. I let it breathe about 50, 60. Fucking point. I was like, that's it. I'm wrong. Fuck this. Wrong. I'm gonna cut it. Cut it. I'm gonna sit there and be married to my my thesis. So that's fine. Chilling here. He's hanging out on that previous day long. We do have open in 30 minutes. We have open in 30. Actually, I'm sorry, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna focus here. I took a little 5-minute off my worker. Okay, open. We are open, and I'm gonna trade this. Open. I'm taking that. Okay. Waiting. See what we get. I want to see her rip. She takes out this 15. I'm going short on this open. She pops above. I'm going long. I'm adding to that long. So a lot of traders trade the open. I'm cool with the open too, but I control that size. Let's see. Yeah, I'm keeping my stops pretty short. I want to see what on that one. Let's see. Go short if I get ripped. If I get ripped, I'll go short. Kind of tight for the fucking opening range there. On that, there's the rip. There's the rip. There's the rip. She hit that VWAP. She hit that VWAP. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that rip, guys. That run. Let it run. Let it run. And we're that. And she's gonna run some more. And we are letting her run. And we're gonna add the free trade. There it is. It's that free trade we're talking about, guys. We were talking about this earlier for a breakout. Early for a breakout. There it is. Look at that breakout, guys. Look at the breakout. 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 Opening range. Oh, she's smoking them. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's the fucking trade we want to catch right there. Let's fucking go. Fucking beautiful. Let's fucking go. Okay, that was sick trade. We talked about this shit this morning. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Let's fucking go. That is good stuff right there. We literally said this. I said if she breaks on this long, we're gonna shoot up to at least this London previous day, right? Previous day low. Let's go back here. Look at that. Previous day on that New York. Boom. She shoots up. She smacks on the shorts. Y'all saw that. She hits that VWAP. She holds and she rips it. So now the question's gonna be, is she gonna break London high or is she gonna go back in? Right? Around this 30 minute. Now I want to sit on some hands. We might go for a breakout here, right? See how she's making higher high. That was sick. That was beautiful. I'm not chasing. That's it. I'm gonna just chill a little bit on this. I think she's gonna smack through this. She's gonna smack through that right there. But she gonna smack through it. Come on. Come on, push, 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 push. Push it, push it. Oh, she might stop me out. See. Could stop me out, guys. Could stop me out. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Coming in with the heat. Coming in with the heat. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go. There's that rip. Let's go. There's the rip. There's the rip. Add to the winner. We're adding to the winner. We're adding to the winners. Let's see. Oh, you guys can't see my wrist. Let me fix that real quick. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to fix this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. That was nice. That was nice, guys. Nice. I'm gonna let that run. Let that run. Oh, he's holding that pretty good. Breakout. Let's see. She's gonna run it. Oh, she's gonna take it. She's gonna take it. She's gonna take it. There we go. She took that. There it is. We are in a free fucking trade right here, guys. She's about to take London. She just took it. She just took it. She just smoked it. Oh, there it is. That's the fucking trade right there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Beautiful. Hit it some more. Hit it some more. There it is. Oof. Sick. Sick trade. Sick trade. Sick trade. Let's go. Love it. Love it. So you guys saw this morning. Did the trade plan. We waited to open on this one. That's where it's at. Like, right? You already talk about it. You just do it. Right? You have what if I'm wrong and what if I'm right. This was sick, and this is a nice like little breakout here. She might actually gonna long that because she might take Asia high. Because now you got shorts fucking getting smoked, right? They're getting run on a higher time frame, or she might just stop this out. Could be either one. I'm cool to get 50 on that one. Big trade, by the way, guys. Big fucking trade. You run it, run it, run it. Let's go. A little more. There we go. Nice, nice trade. Nice little stop out. If we get stopped out here, that's fine. We ran that pretty nice. We can expense some more of that off. that stuff up. All right, that's 8 minutes into the open, guys. That's all you need every day. That move right there was sick, right? That's the move. I don't know. I might be done for the day. That was nice. That was a nice move. I might just be done. I might say fuck it and take my W and dip. That was nice. You know what I'm gonna do? We're done for the long side, and we're gonna be looking into that short. So unless that's what I'll do. We are pretty much green. I'll show you guys. That last run, we made our money back. Again, same concept. We took 3 losses, and that last fourth one was where the milk's at. See that? Boom, boom, boom. Kept those losses short and just repeat. Do the same shit over and over again. I'm done for that. What I'm gonna do is say, fuck it. Here's a 30-minute. And she could rip today, but I don't know. I like my W. I like walking away green. She could rip back into this and go back to previous day high, and everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, you fucking jackass! Why didn't you long it?" I'm good. I got my green, and that's kind of my goal: consistency, completely winning. I'm gonna take a short underneath 2160. 2162. I'm gonna smack the short. What I'll do, I'll put 2 micros. I'll smack that short. And unless that gets put in, I'm done for the day because pretty green. And if we take this out, that would be taking out the hourly, I think, as well. Let's see. You're definitely taking out 2 15-minute bars, 30-minute bars. Take that 6, take out 30-minute bar. We take out a 15-minute bar. We'd be taking out the 1 hour bar, and then probably take out the lows, and then I would look into. So that's a nice trade. We are pretty much done. We're gonna give it till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, let's see if we run it. Yeah, good to 8 o'clock. I could put a sim trade on here for you guys. I'll do that for you guys. Run a paper trade on trading view for you guys. Then we smack on. We would have smacked on 3 micros. They are target previous. Don't run that right there. And where I stopped out, gonna be where my interest is from sure. Or 47 lost there. I'm okay if I take that out, guys. We don't let that run. We don't let that run. I'm running this trade on here for you guys. 3 micros looking for a top, at least at the 2032 if she continues running. That was a nice opening range on the open. But if you are trading that open, just be fast on it. That's the move you want. That's the move when you just boom. That's how you want a long to work, right? That fucking grindy long, that this shit here where it's like, this sucks. This is how you get wiped your ass down. You just learned that by watching consistent price action. That just happens over time. You've traded long enough, you kind of have an idea. The price action, you get the feel for the market. That's intuition. That you can't fucking get an indicator to help you with that. But you could use the indicator like we used on this, right? We got the VWAP. We saw that it held the VWAP, so we added. That was big. That was huge. That's kind of what I use a VWAP for. In the moment type of move. On a 5-minute, broke out. She hit it. We slammed it, and she just ripped through it. That's the move. You lower the time frame. Same thing. That was just in the moment move. You knew once she broke this out, you kind of have a feel. She came back, she was holding previous day low, and then just off that 630, boom, rip it. She took this level, she pumped it up even more, and then that was it. You took some off, you added. We're reaching for London High. You got it. Good target. You're all out. By far, I'm just taking this trade just to fuck around, right? But for me, I took my target, right? I was wrong earlier in the morning. That's fine. I flipped long. We're in the bull market. I'm going to the long. I'm not really a long trader, but if long is where the money's at and I'm making my money, then I'm gonna take it, right? Whole point of this, we're trying to pass combines, trying to get funded, and then move on. So this is the slow for sure way. Now, had I put fucking minis on, then yeah, put a mini on here, then boom, of course. But you try to do that on a fucking funded account, then you're fucked, right? And a lot of things people don't talk about is usually how you trade. This is a little secret I'll give you guys. Go back into this. Okay, so that's nice. See how she rips, makes new. That's cool. She might take Asia high. I'm not gonna find out. I'm done for the day. I can sit here and just not trade till the next hour and a half. If she doesn't do this, I'm good. I got my piece. I just know if she takes this out, then I want a piece of it, right? I want a piece of that. I want a piece of it. But what was I? Anyways, yes. So yeah, that's the whole thing behind the whole trading thing. That yeah. So that's what I was talking about. Sorry, I lost my train of thought, guys. So if you're trading your combine and you trade like shit and you're doing minis, right? Let's say you take minis here and you rip this and you make 3.5, 4.5, 4,000. You go do that on your funded. Guarantee day one you blow that shit up. Right? You hit max loss or you just blow it up. And you ask, well, why was that? Because how you trade in your combines usually will translate into your. Happened to me when people are like, oh, I'm gonna trade different, or I'm gonna fucking go big balls to the wall on my combine, and then when I get funded, I'm gonna go to micros. Kind of hard to do when you're in the habit of just doing minis, 15 minis, 15 minis, 15 minis, right? And when people say, oh, well, when I'm in my funded, I'll just do micros only. Well, if you've been doing nothing but minis on a combine for 2-3 months, I think you're just gonna flip a switch and just micro land, because your dopamine is used to getting those high P&Ls. You're gonna be searching for the high P&Ls, and you're just gonna want to go back to it, even though you know you're probably gonna lose. The house is gonna have the edge. You want to have the edge. You want to be able to take multiple losses or win. When you win, when you're looking at when you're adding to your winners, let it run. Comes up, makes your losses up, and you're green. That's the whole point. People don't talk about that on YouTube a lot. About the prop firms. They know you're gonna go yellow. They know you're gonna go 15, 20, 50 minis on eval, and then when you get to funding, you're gonna screw yourself. My tip for you guys. Yeah. I gotta get back to work. That was a nice morning. That was sick. That was good. That was nice. Another thing, big thing on why most people lose overall is because they overtrade or greed. So I don't have to catch this whole move, right? I don't need to catch it. I'm just putting this on just to see if my thesis works. I don't care if it is. Above VWAP, we should be long. So it should be long. Below VWAP, we back down here. Low previous day low. Probably should back on that. It is. So, but I'm not about to find out. there. She wants to do by 7:30. I'll have a pretty good idea. Here's your 30-minute. Now, if we take this out, we run lows. Definitely looking into that 20,000 level. Your level too. Actually, we can go for it. If she's gonna roll today. Now, this could happen during news. I know I might. I don't really feel like trading it. Fucking. Okay, there we go. Run it right here. 1,000. 2. I might even set an alert. Set an alert there. If it gets hit, then go back. I got to this. Okay. Not too bad of a warning. Not too busy. Oh, gotta get that coffee pumping though. That was good. That was just nice. I wasn't even many. Oh shit! I was pretty excited about. Excited about how it worked out on the risk we had. I see this. I don't want to be a part of this shit. Boom, boom, it grinds up. This bar is what you want to be a part of. That bar is what you want. The rips in the. Overall thesis was long again. Like freaking just not about to get the floor break. Wait a minute. 30, I'll be in. If we get down here 7:30, this thing called time gaps. So I have different time slots. 6:45, we have, they call it the algo time. 7:30, I call it the push or fail. We either gonna push above New York high and keep pushing, right? Or we're looking for a fall. 8 a.m., which I call it the FU bar, which means nasty bar is gonna come in either up or down, and it's just gonna swipe. It's gonna be I call it liquidity run. 9 o'clock, another run. 10:40, midday, you have that midday move. These are all PST times, specific times. And 12 o'clock, you have power hour, which is the last hour of the day. I usually suck at. But today we do have news. Bring that up. Anybody has any questions? If you about an hour into the. Again, we have Fed Chair Powell's speech, right? He's gonna authority to set the interest rate between the board and the governors. That's what the hell he does. That's going on today. Oh, I think already speak. That was it. I think our homeboy already speak. Could have been our bar. Mess up on news. Again, I knew it was news day. That's kind of why I went small. World size. Yeah. Our homeboy speak. I want to see if our homeboy Brown speech. We got a Fed Brown speech at. Well, that already happened. We had a Fed Brown speech at 5:50. Oops, I missed that, guys. My bad. We had a Chicago PMI at 6:45. Oh, that could have been what that rip was. That's cool. That was nice to catch. Yeah, that was at. Whoops, my bad. That was at Chicago PMI. Cool stuff. All right, so it looks like we have Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index in 33 minutes. You got 3-month bill, 6-month bill, quarterly gain stocks, corn, soy, wheat, and okay, yeah, good thing we did not miss. We still have Fed Chair Powell speech at 10:55. Should be fun. The chair speech. Oh, I might just keep the stream up till that time. I'm the only one hanging out here. Well, overall, we got oil. Looks like it's down in the day. Oh yeah. Okay. Usually watch oil too. She looks like she's just kind of midway chopping in that 68 level. Means gas gets cheaper, so that was fun. All right, cool stuff. We do have some news coming out. Looks like that rip was news. That was on me. My bad. That was a Chicago PMI. Actual was 46.6. Forecast was 46.2. So like it was a little bit higher. So market like that. They ripped it, and then got your Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index 2 stars in about 32 minutes. Fun. And then you've got. I'm just letting it hang out. You got your Fed's Powell speech at 10:55. So at midday shit. Always fun, right? Okay, that's cool. Cool. Awesome. All right, let me make some calls. All right. I'm gonna mute myself, guys, because I'm gonna bust in. Hanging out. letting this hang out. It's 6:59, guys, and still have not broke down this minute bar. Not even close to breaking up 3 minutes, which that would be one nasty. I'll go all the way back. Good. We'll see. Give myself, I gotta make it up. What's up, guys? So that was still working. Let's. So we got this paper trade on, and we're still waiting to see if it popped out here. I was about to run it into that one, and I was like, nah, fuck that. So I haven't broke down this 15. So we'll keep on waiting. 703, it's 703, so we're gonna keep on waiting. Wait till we get. Does take 2. I would feel much more confident if it takes that 30-minute, 15. Looks like she's bleeding. Dropping. He is dropping. Not bad. If she initiates it. I'm very curious. Oh, not. Might be thinking, why are you not jumping in here? For better risk. You're probably right, but I don't want to get stuck in noise. I want to see her out. Reason is, you taking out 30-minute, you would taking out a 15-minute, taking out a minute, right? I want to be on the right side of the trend, basically. So, hasn't taken out a 15-minute, 10-minute got taken out right up here. Boom. 5-minute got smoked, taken out, right? 5-minute. When I mean taken out, I mean it broke the prior low, by the way. I mean by that. 5-minute taken out. She's below VWAP. So, the reason not to take a short, I could take the short here, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm gonna my thesis. I want to see her snap it. If she does it, then she does. Doesn't taken out that 30 minutes. Minute. And 1 hour. Here's your 1 hour. The waiting for that one. Oh, that same level, that 2169 is your 1 hour. I would feel some real confidence taking that short once that bar gets. Now I could be wrong and shake. Let that be. Oh. Okay with it. Click on. So we'll see. And I'm probably gonna do either a mixture of 1 to 3, 1 to 4 micros. Oh, let's say I get put in, I'll wait for a pullback or add 1 to 2, put a stop right about here, or 3 to 4. I might even risk up to 5 because I would feel pretty confident of that short. Again, I could be wrong. Okay, I'm okay with being. Go. There it is. Okay. Okay with being wrong. Hated it. All right, I'm in. I'm in. I'm waiting for another little more. There's a pullback. That. I mean, like I said, I got 200 bucks in profit. So if she takes me out here, that's fine. Yeah, okay, I'll be down about 500 on the day. Waited for my trade plan. Okay, if I not tripping, so confident about it. Yeah, she takes me out. I take myself out. Myself out on that. I'm about 385. Took that L. I'm gonna wait here. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna retry that short again. Try that short. Retrying that short, keeping that stuff. Oh. Okay, so I'm kind of right here. But I had too much size on when it re-upped. That's fine. So and almost stays the same. We're just gonna wait for that. Like I said, I was okay with it taking me out. I took out 30 minutes. That's fine. So win a little more. Come on. Oh. Okay, so it looks like we've reached most of our. Okay, we're gonna add to that. Whoa, 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 whoa! That was huge. Huge. It was huge. Let's take some. Let's take some, guys. Let's take some. By the way, I'm also in my other window. I took a couple minis on that. Minis on that. Sure. Okay, we took the W on that one, took the L on that one. Okay, that was cool. That was a good shot. Good drop there, guys. Good drop. And that's a 28. We're still trading. I think that thesis is right on this one. Okay, so we're gonna keep that right there. 9. Okay. Good trade right there. So I ended up getting stopped out as I had too much size on, so that would stop me out. But thesis was right. I shorted here, stopped out. I re-shorted up here, and then I got dropped down. So I'm good on that account. I shorted some middies on my other window that I have up here. So that's what you guys saw. Pretty good. Excited about that one. Wait here. We're gonna try to get this one. Trying to get that lower target there. I get stopped out here. That's about to be 7-7. So I want to see if she takes prior low. I want to see if she takes this out. 21.20. And then I'm really interested if you can get down to our lower target. Do one micro. Okay. We do one. Now I'm pretty interested. Rise all the way. It'll be nice. I'm gonna leave this one right. We broke the 30 minutes, so we're definitely in a good short. Have to see how much it's, but we are definitely in a good short. We could have shorted up higher, but wanted to wait for a confirmation. Short was right. We got the short. We added the size. I came in. That's why I was comfortable coming in some minis on my other window, and then I got it, and then we're good. So right now I'm just doing the one micro thing right here. That's be 720. Okay, that was cool. So we're gonna see if she takes up that 70. She pulls back, but yeah, she broke through that. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, that was good because she waited for this. We hit it. She reclaimed. We stopped out because we had too much size, and then we re-hit it on this drop here on my other bar with about 3 minis, and then got that drop when we covered. Now we're in there one micro. We're looking for either she can pop back up into that 2200, pop me out on that 2001, which is fine if she does take it, or she continues bleeding and takes out our lows. Either show you guys this. You guys where we're at right now. So this is where we're at. That was a clean trade. That was nice. 153, so nice 3 grand. When I stopped myself out of the micros, I went into my minis. I took 3 minis on and I took the drop. Boom, I paid myself. That was clean, that was perfect. So here's that. We have this account at 151, and then we have our one account we're messing with right now here. So we're gonna probably mess with this a little more today. Might just trade this account maybe into news. I don't work real quick, but that's what we got going on right now. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna jump on a call real quick, guys. I'm gonna mute myself. So, quick thing: if I do decide, I do get stopped out here, which is fine. I'm thinking not too long. Probably not until we get a breakout of above. So I think I'm gonna be okay with that one. I want to add to this pullback, but I don't want to add to the DD I like adding to. And I'm not digging this right here on this 10-minute or 5-minute. I know, and right here. I'll add it. If we go green, I'll add one more. Added 2. Now we're gonna risk 200 at our macros, and if once we get around here, I'll take 2 off and I'll let the rest ride into 20s or 80. If I'm wrong, then 2 is what it is. All right, that's the game plan. If I'm wrong, that's cool. Won't get back all profits today. Will be now. I mean, she takes this out. You got plenty in the game. There we go. You know, that's not a bad short area when you're at previous age of low. Again, if she holds this bottom, I'm feeling good on this. Because if she breaks this floor, breaking 30 minutes. Yep, there it is. There it is. Do you guys see that? You break there, another more, a little more. There we go. A little more. Beautiful. Nice. Very nice. That break right there, right? Breaks Asia low, under VWAP, under previous day low. One more micro. We're on here risking 50. See, here we go. Going, she's dropping like a salt shaker. Huh? Cause we're dropping like a salt shaker. Yeah, we're dropping like a wah. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll have her drop it more, drop it more. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Boom, what up, drop it like it's hot. You gonna take out that low, she gonna take out that low. She gonna take out that low. Boom, boom, stick it that dough. That was good, guys, that was good. Now I'm chilling. Chilling, so it's about to be 7:30, 4 minutes. Gonna take out that low. Gonna take out that low. She gonna take out that low. 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 She gonna take out that low. Back. Alright, boom. If she rips me out. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, drop it like little DCA there, little DCA. DCA. There we go. Nice little DCA there, guys. Take me out. Oh, that was nice. Nice. Got a way better price. Got a better stop. 42 stop. Not bad. That's not bad right there. Pretty good. I'll take it. Well, just right here. Take it. Yeah, see, we're all looking at this bottom low. So that's the focus. That's not bad. And that 5 minute, I'm also looking at this. See that? Boom. Catch that liquidity. Boom. I'll rip it on a 5 minute. Back up. There it is. Take it. Okay, cool. Yeah. Do this. Do this. Do. All right. We're good, guys. We're gonna wait. Now, 5 minutes. You don't rip up. From here. I'm gonna make 7:30. It's about to be 7:30. We're about to have FU part time. This is what I'm talking about. When I see this at 7:30, I'm thinking I'm to flip it on the shorts and just boom, right? And let's say shorts have their stop up here, about to get smoked, right? Stops in that VWAP area 2020. We're about to get that happens. Let's take a pepper tag. That's right. Take pepper tray. And if I'm like curious and I want to see what happens, I won't. I'll just take on a paper trade. Same shit. You just want to see your thesis. Beautiful. There's that. There's that 7:30 shit I talk about. There's that 7:30 FU bar. This is what I call the FU bar. This is FU bar about to pop up through here. Rip towards asses. That the FU bar. So now you guys know what the FU bar is. Next time slot is gonna be clock. EST. Now we're waiting. Now we're just chilling like a villain here. Chilling, chilling. Cool. No, I'm done. We'll see. I'm gonna mute myself. All right, cool. We're back. We're back, guys. We are back. Get that up real quick. All right. What happened? Oh yeah. So up to that, what I just said it would pretty much do, right, guys? Right. Hit that VWAP. Shorts that were pretty much holding here. Stop. Smoked them on this bar. Where we have news at 10. Do you have any questions? Let's see. Check out the. Nope, you guys don't have any questions. All right, cool. No worries. All right, well, looks like you guys don't have any questions. And for about 2 hours now. Back though. All right, so there's that FU bar like I was talking about, guys. Most shorts had their stops probably here. Got their ass run. I don't want to be a part of this top shit right here. So probably gonna wait till news. Let this play out. And we're going back to our 30-minute. 30-minute, much a little more quieter. I think she ran this and give you the boom, boom, boom. At that. That was actually funny part is I was still wrong on that trade. I had too much size. I had to stop myself out and go back. It is what it is. What happens. So even on that trade, I lost. I was losing. And that third one and made it. They're losing 3 times on that. That was end up losing 650 on that trade, and then I made back. 3600, so I made back that loss. Good trade plan, good thesis. Created the plan. I'll let the plan trade you fucking trade. Still under this weekly cost, but she also, when you look at it, 1. Basically going this way. We're chopping between this 2286 and this, basically chopping between 200 points. But yeah, see more. Most shorts have their stops here, which is here 730, so they can run it up the butts if they want. Okay, so they can run it up their butts if they want. I'm chilling. Might be done 736. I might be done if I do trade anything. No one's watching, but if I do trade anything, it's gonna be now. That's what I have here, and it's gonna be pretty micros. It might be the news. Could be this. This is where I'm at for today, guys. Here. So, not bad. I might be done. Okay. I don't really like trading thousands. Asshole. When it comes to people that trade, y'all know that. Shit's so wiki smoked. But also, I do want to trade it and get some moves. I never want to keep. Probably not 2 hours. Yeah, I've been trading for about 2 hours. It is Monday. A little tired. So I might say fuck this. Cut it here. Wrong with that either. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm about to say. think so. Going in that Chop Fest shit. That I don't dig the Chop Fest. Yeah, I think I'm done. If I end up trading, guys, I'm gonna trade that account that I just showed you guys. But we'll see. I'm gonna put an alert probably down here. If it gets hit, then I'll go ahead and trade the news. But I think I'm done for it. This is where I'm at, guys. Not bad. Got this account. We got this account almost halfway. 153. Account's at 154.7, and this account at 151. So pretty cool, pretty awesome that we got it. Pretty exciting stuff, right, guys? But cool. Let's we're gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys liked the stream. About 2-hour stream. Usually about how long I trade. My mental kept fucking gets strained. I'm working to it. I hope you guys have a good Monday. If you guys end up trading PayPal's news later today at 10:55, careful, all size, and watch out because it's volatile. Use any minis on that, you can get smoked. Funded, not funded, personal. I don't care what you trade. Size is size, and too much size will get you smoked either way. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share that to anyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know. At my socials, DM me. I'm down to answer any questions. I've been in the game for a minute now. Game for about 5 years now. Traded stocks, small caps, futures, a little bit of options. So I've had my toes in a little bit of everything. So thank you so much. 12M Hustle out.